Yeah, man, that's so cute. Are you in the queue? Yes, we are.
The other side of something you didn't know.
You know, the one if only on me wapa. I'm dropping it. Yo. Hi loves. So I know I look very much boyish. I just thought I should come here and give you guys an update. So this is gonna be a vlog. And I am here to do the intro and the outro of this vlog. It's probably gonna be a very long vlog. It's just that I haven't had time to. I thought this would be a great time to just have a small sit down, you know. I haven't had time to like make more vlogs ever since the vlog that I uploaded, my last vlog that I uploaded was messed up because I accidentally deleted other footages that were there, and I don't think I have the energy to recover that because I feel like I have the footage on my PC, on my laptop rather, but it needs some other viewing thing for me to be able to view it so that I can edit it. So I tried the option of airdropping it from my laptop to my phone, but I think that's going to be a long process. So you guys are going to just have to forgive me on that and just be content with the vlog that I did, the one that is for Umgibho and stuff. I am gonna do another vlog, and I hope it's gonna be. I'm gonna delete a lot of things on my phone and put them on my laptop. That way, I'm gonna be able to have more space on my phone, and I think that will help me a lot. So I'm so tired, like I'm exhausted. I just had a sandwich from Checkers, and I'm at work. I'm currently at work. I'm on my lunchtime, so I just thought I should come here just address that, since I did say that on my last vlog that I will probably recover that footage. I don't think I have it in me to do that anymore. I'm just gonna move on. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna move on and do another vlog. And so please enjoy this vlog. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that. We are almost halfway to 100, not 100, I wish I could say 100k, but we are halfway through to 1,000 supporters or subscribers. So yeah, so I will I'm so exhausted. I'm actually overdue for my leave, so my leave is starting soon, and probably by the time you see this vlog, my leave will be over and I'll be back here at work. So yeah, I'm wearing a jacket. I'm at work, so, and it's so cold. Yo, winter is been cold. So yeah, I thought I should come here and say that and tell you that there's a vlog coming up. Hopefully it's so exciting. I don't want to jinx it and say, oh my gosh, it's going to be so exciting and whatever, but I do hope it's going to be exciting, and you guys are gonna enjoy it, engage in it, and you know, and it's something very exciting. Some of you know, some of you don't know, but there is a vlog for that. So that's why I'm doing this vlog, so that you guys know what's going on in my life. So because my YouTube channel, I want it to be something like, I do want it to be something that I can look back on and like see growth within myself and with the people around me and all of that stuff. Like, I really want it to be something that I can really look back at and be proud that I started it, and also that I was brave enough to start it and go along with it and share my life and experiences with you guys, because that's the main point of this, is to share my life and experience with you guys. And in between that, I have small talks and motivation, if it's motivation or, you know, something like that along those lines. So I want it to be something like a dear diary, but not like really dear diary, you know. So that's a goal for this channel. And also I'm gonna evolve, I'm gonna change, I'm gonna switch things up a bit, and I'm not only gonna be about beauty and natural hair, but I hope you guys enjoy the content that's coming up and the content that is already here. If you haven't watched any of my videos, I'll put some in the description box, and some of them I'll put them in the link here. So yeah, so you can, you know, go back and watch. And yeah, I'm gonna evolve. I'm a human being. I'm gonna, the things that I liked 10 years ago, I'm sure I don't like them anymore, and some I probably do like them, but that's just the heads up for what's coming into my channel. So I'm really excited for that. I hope you guys are excited too. Yeah, you know, we're gonna grow career wise, relationship wise, friendship wise, and all of that stuff. So I want it to be documented on my channel and share it with you, my loves. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I want to show you, I'm starting to share a bit more, especially as I'm starting to be more comfortable talking about things, or I'm learning rather to be more comfortable talking about things that I'm vulnerable about, and things that affect me, the society, my mental health, and all of that. I want to bring that into the space. So yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. I know I'm talking too much, but please enjoy the rest of this vlog. Do not forget to like this video if you like it, comment down below, and share it with your friends and your family. But most importantly, please do subscribe. It's free. I would really appreciate that a lot. So yeah, to the next. And tell me is about more, even more, because of my referrals and stuff. Last year I shared some. So we are at the garage in Boysen. Me and my person and the father-in-law. We are here. I am exhausted. You know when they say exhausted, I am physically unable, honestly. So I'm so tired. I just need to sleep. I didn't sleep yesterday because when I got home there was no electricity, and the electricity went around 3 o'clock, and then I came back at 10 o'clock. And because we are going to the Eastern Cape today, the time now is almost 5. So we are leaving around 10 o'clock evening or at night, and we just came to see the father-in-law before we leave, and then we're gonna go back. The reason I couldn't sleep, the reason I couldn't sleep was because my person was busy about to cook umgibho, so we bought chicken and we bought intlama, don't know what you call it, dumpling or something. So we had that and wamkumbani. So so when I got back home, I woke up, all of that. I sleep around 1:30 in the morning, and this morning I got up early because I had to do my nails. Don't know if you guys can see, but I did my nails. So I did my nails, and yeah, so I think they're coming back. So yeah. Good morning, loves. I am in Shell Garage. I'm at a Shell Garage, and Peter Morris bag. We're just filling up, and then we're gonna drive home. We are on our way. I don't know if I told you guys this, but we are on our way to Eastern Cape. I am officially on leave. I am exhausted. Like, I feel like the past 4 days I've been physically unable to do anything, so I'm just gonna rest. And also abayeni are coming back to pay lobola. We need lobola. So they are coming back to pay lobola, and now it's like 6 o'clock. Well, not 6 o'clock, like 6:15 to 6:20, and abayeni are coming in Sunday. Today is Saturday, so they're coming in Sunday. So I literally have no time to rest, but to prepare for them and everything. And yeah, I will see you maybe when I get Umgibho, and yeah, then I'll keep you guys posted on everything else. At the back with the grocery. Our car is too small, so we had to switch cars and use a bigger car, and also had someone else to drop us off because we really can't just pop in
she unannounced. So that's what we did. And uyayibona indlela embi indlela yasezilalini. Oh my gosh, I cannot understand about kwenziwa ntoni Eastern Cape or what councillor, because with a small car iyaqinga even if it's not dirty, like, you know, it's not the road is not bad. I will need to go on, so that's why isilali zethu isikolo esinandifunda pha 6 and 7, like grade 8 and grade 9. I went there to study grade 8 and grade 9. But yeah, this was us now traveling from like a cliff or a mountainish and going home. Good mornings.
Nganiyizelela mna. Yeah! Ubuqolo. Ayobabhula uqolo. Ubumpumi ubuyela ndividiyela. Ubumpumi. Ubumpumi ufuna ndividiyela ubumpumi na. Akekho. Ndividiyela nathi ngoku. Imike sana sazana yo iphezulu le. Ay, makalima leo. Sohlala lapha.
Ukhale thusile ke lokwathanda.
Ningezibhekile. Ngizibhekile mama.
Hayi futheka.
Ah, makalani.
Dasisi.
Khona uphathe bethu wenza washo ngoba
uthi lapha uphinde wathini ngoba efuna ukupeyinta xa ekhona engayenzi yakho.
uyifumene brush.
Akayifumananga ngicela ndithe hayi mana yini yaba lokho.
Uyavasa unini.
Wazigelisa uthusa inkomo.
We.
Noma sendine zisini.
Yes man.
Ngizana zala.
Qablaza la. Awazingenisa uthulisile inkomo.
Ula letibela. Azindile azomfazomthuna.
days later. Good morning, my loves. So I think I'm gonna end this one right here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like, comment, and share with this video with your friends and your family. I'll appreciate that. I've been feeling a little sick. I mean, a lot sick. I'm sure you guys can tell by my voice, but yeah, I'm gonna end this video. I will see you in my next one.